morning to you all students. Hope you all were fine, safe at your home. Right now I just welcome you all for the online class session. So as you all know, this is your maths class, right ma'am? So in the previous class we have started a new topic, that is geometry, and in that geometry we just saw some definitions of part of circles and two examples questions, right? So as a continuation only, today we are going to see the sum of exercise problems. Okay, before moving into the problems, just revise some notes here. So as you all can see what I have written, Pythagoras theorem. So this theorem is very useful in doing the problems. So what is our Pythagoras theorem? So there is a right angle triangle. The side which is opposite to the angle is hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to hypotenuse is opposite, and the remaining side is adjacent. So in a right angle triangle, so what is the hypotenuse? What is the Pythagoras theorem? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. This letter will differ based on your given pictures letter. And also remember one more thing, two lines intersect perpendicular, the angle it forms is 90 degree. Remember these two conditions. So as I said earlier, today we are going to see some exercise problem. So the first question we are going to learn is in exercise 4.3, first question. Please take your book and refer while I am reading the questions there. Okay, your exercise 4.3, first question. Let me read the question first. The diameter of a circle is 52 cm and the length of one of its chord is 20 cm. Find the distance of the chord from its center. The diameter of a circle. So a word circle is there. So definitely your question is based on circle, right? So let's draw a picture of circle. So to draw a circle, okay, we need a fixed point. So your first point is the diameter of the circle. What do you mean by diameter, ma? A line which passes through the fixed point and touches both the boundary region is called as what? Diameter. So a straight line passes through the fixed point, touches both the end as is called as what? Diameter. Let it be A, B. So according to your picture, given diameter, we take it as AB, which is equal to how much given? Let the center point be O. So both boundary through fixed point touches means it is what? Diameter. If fixed point and one boundary touches means it is called as what? A radius. So diameter given, how will you find the radius? Yes, we learned. Half of the diameter is the radius, right? So radius is equal to d divided by 2, diameter, that is. So which is equal to 52 by 2. 52 by 2, 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4, 1 by. So totally 52, half is how much? 26, 26. Totally 52. This is from first point. Then what is given? And length of one of its chord. Chord means except the boundary point, except the fixed point, two line touches the boundary, it is called as what? Chord. Name it as CD. So CD is equal to how much given? 20 centimeter. What we have to find out? Find the distance of the chord. You have to find out the distance of the chord from the center. Let it be X. So since it touches, let it be. Now two lines touches. One line and another line touches. What is the angle is? 90. Now let's join OC and OD. What is this OC and OD? From fixed point, it touch one of the boundary. It is called as a radius, right? So radius we know, which is 26 and 26. Now it exactly touches through the fixed point, that is middle point, means the chord will also will divide into two equal parts. So what is CE? Totally 20. So CE 10 and ED 10. Half half. Now we need this x value. Right, ma? So how? So this is the whole triangle divided into two triangles. Right. So consider any one of the triangle. Let's take the triangle O, E and D. So O, E and D. So this is our triangle 10, 26, x. We need x. So by looking at this picture, what is this triangle is? Right angle triangle. Right. So right angle triangle means what theorem we can use? Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras theorem? Square of hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse here? The side which is opposite to the angle is hypotenuse. Opposite. So square of hypotenuse means OD square is equal to OE square plus ED square. Just substitute. What is OD? 26 square is equal to OE x square plus 10 square. What is 26 square? 676 equal to x square plus 10 square means. So x square is equal to 676 plus 100 comes to this side means minus 676 minus 100 576 equal to x. So x is equal to root of, since it is a bigger number, how will you find the square root? By L method. So 576. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 balance, 8 2s are 16, 2, 1, 4, 4, again 2, 72, again 2, 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. So how do we get? Square root of 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 3 square is equal to x. So inside the square root, square value we have means without square root only that number we can write. So 2 into 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are. And what's the unit, ma? Okay, a circle, diameter, using diameter we find radius, there is a chord, distance you have to find out, definitely the angle it makes is 90 degree. So exactly middle, divide into two equal parts. We will get triangle, any one triangle you can choose. Okay, if you choose OEC means also same answer only you will get. So this is your first question. Okay. So the next question is your third question in that exercise. So second question you have to do it as a homework. Very simple only, a second question is try it as a homework. Now just look at your book, the third question. Let me read. Find the length of the chord AC where AB and CD are the two diameters perpendicular to each other of a circle with a radius 4 root 2 centimeter. And also find angle OAC and angle OCA. So here also they ask you to find the length of the chord AC. As you all know, chord means what? The two boundary point touch but not through the fixed point, right ma? So here there is a circle, so there must be a fixed point, right? Now you have to draw a chord. Anywhere we can draw, okay? And the chord is mentioned as, find the length of the chord AC. Now what is happening here ma? Where AB and CD are two diameters. So from A to B, diameter means it should pass through the fixed point AB and C to. Now AB and CD are perpendicular lines, so definitely it will make the angle what angle? 90 degree. So there is a circle, fixed point, chord AC, right ma? And two perpendicular line, it will make the angle what angle? 90 degree. Now, with the radius how much? 4 root 2 centimeters. So radius means fixed point to anyone. So OB 4 root 2, OD 4 root 2, anywhere 4 root 2 and 4 root 2. So you have to find AC. AC is equal to what? Right, and also they ask you to find angle OAC, which means angle OAC and angle OCA. Let's find. Now in this picture you got a triangle, right? So we got a so one angle is 90 degree. So OAC and 4 root 2. Two sides are equal. It is called as a. If two sides are equal, then the triangle is called as Isosceles Triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides equals means what are also equal? Yeah, both angles are also equal. So one angle 90. So remaining angles are equal. So angle OAC is equal to angle OC. So any one value we got means the remaining value also same. Right ma? So look at this is a triangle. These two angles we need. As we all know, sum of three angle in a triangle is, yeah, sum of three angle in triangle is how much degree? 190. Now let's add all the angles. So what is this angle is? Angle AOC plus angle OAC plus angle OCA is equal to how much degree? Now AOC how much degree? AOC is 90 degree plus angle OAC plus what is OCA? Angle OAC is equal to, now angle OAC plus angle OAC how many? 2 angle OAC is equal to 180 degree. 90 goes to that side means minus. So 2 OAC 2OAC is equal to 180 minus 90. So angle OAC, 2 goes to that side means divided by 90 degree by 2. Now cancel, 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 1 balance. So angle OAC is equal to, so what is this angle is? 45 degree. So this angle also, we said both are same. So angle OAC which is equal to angle OCA. So angle value we got. Right ma. Now you have to find out the length of this chord. So again, two triangles you have. One angle is 90 degrees. So what theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What is your Pythagoras theorem is? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Here what is the hypotenuse? Opposite of the angle is. So AC square is equal to remaining two sides. Right ma? OA square plus, what is OA square? 4 into root 2 the whole square plus 4 into root 2 the whole. So the square is common for both. So 4 square into root 2 the whole square plus 4 square into root 2 the 4 square, 16. Root 2 the whole square, root 2 into root 2, we already learned. Into 2 plus 16 into 2. 16 into 2. 16 into 2. 32 plus 32 which is equal to 60. So AC square is equal to 64. Therefore AC is equal to root 64 which is equal to 8 and the unit is. Hope you understand it. Okay. So two questions we saw, right ma? Now let's see the third question. Okay. Your third question is in your book, question number 4. Very simple. Let's read the question. Again here also. A chord is 12 meter away from the center of circle of radius 15 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. So definitely here also a circle, there will be a fixed point. So a chord is 12 meter away from the center of the circle. So a chord is there which is 12 meter away from the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. So from center boundary point, right ma? Radius is how much? 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Let the chord be AB and the distance be C and B. So definitely the angle that will form is 90 degree, right ma? Now you need to find AB. So exactly touch means divide into two equal parts. That is AD is equal to D. Any one value we get means we can add out and write the answer, right? So find out. Any one triangle you choose here. So I am choosing triangle CB and D. That is this triangle. Since it is a right angle triangle, what theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What is our Pythagoras theorem is? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. In this picture, what is hypotenuse? Yeah. CB square is equal to CD square plus DB. What is CB square? 15 square is equal to CD. 12 square plus DB. So what is 15 square ma? 225 is equal to 12 square. 144 plus dB. So dB square is equal to 225 minus 144. 225 minus 144. 81 is equal to. So dB is equal to square root of 80. What is square root of 81? 9 and the unit. So dB is equal to 9. So therefore AB is equal to double of, that is AD plus DB. Since AD and DB are equal, so and DB plus DB, which is 2 into DB. So 2 into DB, 9, 2 9s are. Or directly also here you can substitute. What is AD and DB same? So 9 plus 9, which is equal to. So as I said first, which question is your homework? Yeah, homework exercise 4.3. Second problem is your homework. Okay. So please watch the video properly. If you have any doubt in the video, we can clarify those things in our Zoom class also. So as we learn 3 questions today, right ma? As we learn how many questions? 3 questions today and 1 question is your homework. Okay. So learn it well. Notes will be sent through you to your groups in the PDF form. Write the notes. If you have any doubt, let's clarify on the Zoom class. So once again, I thank you all. Be safe. Okay. Hope to see you all on school very soon. Thank you all.